Hi everybody, Annelie from Wake speaking, grandma of two, cancer survivor, senior citizen, and I'm enjoying myself and I'm so excited. I want to tell you about BLITZ system and what it can do for you. Now, but I've got a lot of people asking me, what does BLITZ system do? What is it that you're selling? What? Now, in a short sentence, I can say to you that BLITZ system is a traffic generating lead magnet on different levels. And of course, you will get what you pay. So my advice is always go for the higher, then you can make real money. If you're serious with money or wanting money, then you will go to the higher level. All right. Now, BLITZ system is a already done for you system, which consists out of capture pages, sales pages, and those together equal a funnel. Now all your traffic that you generate goes into this funnel, and then from there on it goes to you send out emails, and these emails are already pre-written for you. These funnels and capture pages are also already done for you. You just put it all together the way that you want to put it together according to your taste and flavor. Then you use this funnel and you send it out your emails, and that is basic on a daily basis, or every second day, your choice as well, to advertise and inform the public out there about your business. And when you buy into the system, when you buy your domain, you get a link, and this link you will be posting everywhere. In the system, it gives you options of emails. It gives you options to use that link in anywhere on Facebook, anywhere in a newspaper, online, offline, doesn't matter. Anyway, and that's what you use to promote your opportunity. And if you don't have any other an additional business, because you can use this for your primary business, which do not need to be BLITZ system. Anything else, you can promote this bottle and use BLITZ system for that, plus doing, in other words, Tupperware, and doing BLITZ system on the sideline, and you can make money with that one as well. I just want to show you quickly how the different levels that we can do, and then as soon as you get plugged in, I will show you the Freedom Takers group. Let's first go to the Freedom Takers group. Let me show you what that looks like. Maybe I must get myself out of the way first. That can help. There's the Freedom Takers group. Can I move further away? Let me see. Yes, I can. Wonderful. All right, here's Freedom Takers group. On Freedom Takers group, you can see all the action that's going on. Few people that's here in Freedom Takers group, you can see exactly what's happening. People that getting congratulations to so-and-so for upgrading to platinum. That gives, Paul introduced him. So Paul is getting $400 commission. And after this, unlimited $100 commissions. This person can now, what is his name? Martin Casper. He's now in for unlimited $400 commissions. Sorry, talking through my neck around here. You get platinum level, you get gold level, you get diamond levels. Okay, let me put it more in perspective. I'll do that now on the other side, but let me just show you. Here people are talking, another platinum member, another gold member. Here's people getting their opt-ins. Opt-ins is the people that filled in the form. PLS member has arrived. That's a $400 commission. A prospect, 71 of them could be future prospects, future members, and this person might get commission out of them. Here's another 3 members. That's 3 times $20 residual. And that's the way that it carries on this page. Everybody, there's 84 out. Okay, Freedom Takers Boost Room. You see, we're busy. Okay, let me show you the home page. Here's our Freedom Takers homepage. The idea is to get all these tabs green. Now, first is obviously when you buy your domain and when you join up. When you become on the lowest level, a gold to affiliate, it costs you $53 per month, of which you will get, your upline will get $20 residual income monthly. When you go up to diamond level, it costs you $147, and then you qualify for $100 unlimited commissions. On the platinum level, you can it costs you $497, and that will give you unlimited $400 commissions. So one platinum and one diamond per day. Already you've got your $500 commissions. Not bad, eh? And you get all your training, your emails that's been written for you. You can see on the screen all the types of things. You've got your websites that's already pre-made for you, pre-set up. You just put it all together. You get your funnel, everything else. And there's advertising, training. Just look at all this training that you get. Endless free leads. You get free ad secrets, social profit. They train you how to do it. Paid traffic, free traffic. You get training in absolutely everything. In the training area, we've got hangouts, 3 hangouts per week. And when you go in here and we log in, you can check all the replays of all this. In other words, what you're going to do, you take your emails, you send them out to your prospects, and then you get them plugged into the training. And in the training, the guys that does the training, or these replays, the hangouts rather, they will be the guys that will be closing your deal for you. Excellent, eh? Easy as pie. Let me just show you how it goes. I'm wasting a little time, but I'm just going to show you this. Here you can see the training that was done 3 days ago. 3 days ago was Sunday night training. And an hour and 1 minute, and then you can have your replays just to check it out again. And that's the way it carries on and on and on and on. And every week, 3 hangouts. Sunday night, Wednesday night overview, and Thursday nights. So you can never say you don't have enough training, you don't know what to do. But let me just quickly show you my back office. My back office here in June. Priceless possibilities, all prospects. These are all free traffic. That's why they came in slow. It's obviously that when you do paid traffic, it runs much faster. It's much faster before the ball gets rolling and you start making money. When you do free traffic, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those, it takes a little bit longer. But the free traffic, here you can see I did some free traffic, and all of those, some of those people already booked in, logged in, joined. Anyway, well, that is the idea of the whole story. Well, I'm back again. That's the whole story. But a lot of people are scared to join up because they don't know what to do, how to do it, where to start. They've got no idea. So if you want to know more about this system, any more info, please contact me. Check the description below. Join me on my journey. Please subscribe and follow me. And if you're interested, contact me and I will get you started. This is definitely worth it. This is so exciting. There is so much training. And you're not on your own. We'll hold your hand step by step. And if you're interested in this opportunity, as I said, to make a full-time income, reach out to me. You'll be glad. I'll be glad to meet you, and you will be glad that you started. And as I said, I'm doing it full-time, and I'm available for you. So in the description, please fill in your details. Get my details, and let's get together. And nice speaking to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.